Did you know that the BMW R75 was often referred to as the German Jeep during World War II? Just like the Jeep Willys was a staple for the Allied forces, the BMW R75 was the backbone of German military transportation. This motorcycle not only served as a reliable vehicle for German troops, but also left a significant mark in automotive history. In this video, we will explore the history, technology, battlefield usage, as well as interesting facts and unique events involving the BMW R75. The BMW R75 was developed in the late 1930s in response to a request from the German Army for a versatile and rugged vehicle capable of handling various terrain conditions. Mass production began in 1941, and the motorcycle quickly became the backbone of German military transportation. BMW, already renowned for its quality and technological innovation, ensured that the R75 was designed to the highest standards. This motorcycle was built to withstand extreme conditions, from the heavy snow in Russia to the scorching sands of North Africa. The development process of the BMW R75 involved extensive testing and modifications. BMW engineers worked tirelessly to ensure that this motorcycle was not only strong and reliable, but also easy to repair in the field. One of the biggest challenges was creating a motorcycle that could perform well in various terrain conditions, and BMW successfully overcame this challenge. The BMW R75 is equipped with a 745 cubic centimeter flat twin engine that produces 26 horsepower. This engine was designed to provide an optimal balance between power and fuel efficiency. One of the most notable features of the BMW R75 is its two-wheel drive system, which allows the motorcycle to drive both the rear wheel and the sidecar wheel simultaneously. This system provides exceptional traction in difficult terrains such as mud, snow, and sand. This two-wheel drive system is equipped with a differential that allows the sidecar wheel to rotate at a different speed than the rear wheel. This is crucial for maneuvering on uneven terrain and sharp turns. Additionally, the BMW R75 is equipped with a reverse gear, a very useful feature for a military vehicle that often needs to move in tight spaces or difficult terrains. The BMW R75 was widely used by the Wehrmacht on various fronts during World War II. In Russia, this motorcycle was used for patrols and reconnaissance in challenging snowy conditions. In North Africa, the BMW R75 demonstrated its reliability in the hot and harsh desert sands. Its ability to operate in diverse terrain conditions made it highly valued by German troops. This motorcycle was often used to transport troops, equipment, and even light weapons. Its reliability in tough terrains earned it the nickname the German Jeep. The BMW R75 was also used in various special operations, including reconnaissance and rescue missions, where speed and mobility were crucial. Did you know that the BMW R75 had a telescopic front suspension system that was very advanced for its time? This system provided exceptional comfort and stability, even on very rough terrain. Additionally, the motorcycle was equipped with a spacious storage compartment in the sidecar, which was often used to carry ammunition, medical supplies, and even tracking dogs. The BMW R75 was also renowned for its reliability. There are many stories of this motorcycle continuing to function despite severe damage on the battlefield. For instance, there are reports of the BMW R75 still being able to run even after one of its wheels was severely damaged by a landmine explosion. After the war, the BMW R75 remained a highly sought-after collectible. Its advanced technology and design have kept it relevant and appreciated to this day. Many collectors and classic motorcycle enthusiasts strive to restore the BMW R75 to its original condition. Some restored models are still used for everyday purposes, both on highways and off-road. The BMW R75 also had a significant influence on the design of future military motorcycles. Many features introduced on the BMW R75, such as the two-wheel drive system and telescopic front suspension, became standards in the design of military and off-road motorcycles in the following years. The legacy of the BMW R75 lives on, not only as a symbol of innovation and resilience, but also as an icon in automotive history. The BMW R75 was not the only military motorcycle used during World War II. Several other motorcycles also played important roles on the battlefield. One of them was the Zunda KS750, which is often compared to the BMW R75 due to their many similarities in design and function. These two motorcycles even had some interchangeable components, which made field maintenance easier. The Zunda KS750 also featured a flat twin engine and a two-wheel drive system, similar to the BMW R75. However, there were some key differences. For instance, the Zunda KS750 had a slightly larger engine capacity of 751 cubic centimeters and produced slightly more power. On the other hand, the BMW R75 was known to be easier to handle and more reliable in extremely tough terrains. On the Allied side, the Harley-Davidson WL was one of the most famous motorcycles. Although it did not have a two-wheel drive system like the BMW R75, the Harley-Davidson WL was renowned for its reliability and ability to operate in various terrain conditions. This motorcycle was often used for reconnaissance, message delivery, and even as an emergency ambulance. Restoring a BMW R75 is a meticulous and dedicated process. Many collectors and classic motorcycle enthusiasts spend years bringing these motorcycles back to their original condition. The restoration process often involves searching for original parts, which can be quite challenging given the age of these motorcycles. The BMW R75 enthusiast community is very active and widespread around the world. They frequently hold meetings and events to share knowledge, experiences, and spare parts. These gatherings are not only opportunities to showcase restored motorcycles, but also to strengthen bonds among enthusiasts. Additionally, there are many online forums and social media groups dedicated to the BMW R75. Here, enthusiasts can exchange information, seek technical assistance, and share stories about their adventures with this motorcycle. This community plays a crucial role in keeping the legacy of the BMW R75 alive and thriving. The BMW R75 is not only known for its reliability, but also for the heroic stories involving this motorcycle. One famous story is about a German soldier who used a BMW R75 to rescue his wounded comrades on the battlefield. With incredible bravery and driving skills, he managed to bring them to safety despite being under enemy fire. There are also stories of the BMW R75 being used in reconnaissance missions behind enemy lines. The speed and maneuverability of this motorcycle allowed German troops to gather crucial information without being detected. These stories add to the legendary aura of the BMW R75 and highlight its importance in various military operations. The BMW R75 also has a significant influence in popular culture. This motorcycle often appears in films, TV shows, and video games set during World War II. Its iconic appearance and rich history make it a popular choice for filmmakers and game developers. For example, the BMW R75 appears in films such as Saving Private Ryan and Inglourious Basterds, as well as in various video games like Call of Duty and Medal of Honor. Its presence in these media helps keep the legacy of the BMW R75 alive and known to new generations. The BMW R75 is not just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of innovation and resilience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content about automotive history. See you in the next video.